just showing you my VP Commodore. Just start it up and just give you a listen to what it sounds like. The exhaust was broken, so I fixed it. That's why it sounds a little bit stock at the moment, but I'm putting a 3-inch pipe straight through from, I'll show you, from the Cadillac converter over there with all the holes in it. That's the converter, and it broke just there where that weld is from the muffler. So we're getting a 3-inch pipe from that join just there from the converter, from there to there. We're getting a 3-inch pipe and cutting the muffler out to make it a little bit louder, and we're making this back bit here, the back exhaust, make this back exhaust chrome, and making that smaller to give it a bit more of a grunt. I'll just start it. Doesn't sound the best, but yeah. I'm going to get a pod filter to make it sound a little bit better. A brand new battery, that is. I'll give it a little rev and show you what it's like. Yeah, that's it pretty much. This all here, the accelerator maneuver is all brand new. That's all brand new. I just sprayed my wipers red. Yeah, so I'll be posting more videos up on this, on mods and stuff. Mighty Car Mods inspired me to do this to my car. Not to my car, to do stuff to the car. Please subscribe and watch Mighty Car Mods if you're a motor enthusiast. Yeah.